We'll guide you through how to add color to Notion table. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to your computer desktop and make sure you can clearly see the icons available on your screen. Find the Google Chrome shortcut by looking through the desktop carefully until you locate the familiar Chrome browser icon. Once you have found it, double-click the Chrome icon to open the browser and start the application. Wait for the browser to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. If a profile selection screen appears, click your Chrome profile to continue and open your browsing session. Next, look at the search bar located in the center of the browser window. Type notion.com into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to visit the website. Wait for the Notion website to load fully so that all page elements appear correctly. After the page is ready, look at the top right corner of the website. Click the Open Notion button to proceed to your workspace. Wait while your Notion workspace loads and displays your content. Once it is open, look at the left sidebar menu where your pages and databases are listed. Click your database once to open it. Your table will then appear on the screen. Look at the top right corner of the table and locate the settings icon. Click the settings icon once to open the available options. The View Settings menu will open and display several configuration choices. Click the Conditional Color option from the menu. A conditional color menu will appear on the right side of the screen. In that menu, click the blue New Color Setting button to create a new rule. A pop-up window will appear. Select the column option from the pop-up to define where the color rule will apply. Next, look at the Apply to option within the Settings panel. Open its drop-down list and choose this property from the available options. After making the selection, click anywhere outside the menu to apply the color setting. Finally, confirm that the Expenses column now has the background changed.